In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SPF record in GoDaddy. Setting up an SPF record is crucial for ensuring that your emails are not marked as spam and to safeguard your domain's reputation. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To begin, open your web browser and search for GoDaddy. Navigate to the official GoDaddy website, and once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but for this video, I'm assuming you already have one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you'll need to locate the section labeled Domain Portfolio. This is where all of the domains you own through GoDaddy will be listed. Find the specific domain for which you want to add the SPF record and select it. This will bring you to the settings page for that domain. On your domain settings page, there should be a tab labeled DNS. Go ahead and click on it, as this is where we'll manage the domain name system records for your domain. Once in the DNS section, you'll see a list of existing DNS records. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming, we'll just focus on adding a new record. Look for the option to Add New Record, usually located at the top or bottom of the page, and click on it. You'll now need to select the type of record you wish to add. From the drop-down menu, choose TXT. TXT records are used for SPF and various other types of information, but in this case, we are using it to specify which mail servers are allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. Next, in the name field, you'll need to enter your domain name. This is often represented by an asterisk or the symbol @ Your domain provider might have specific instructions on what exactly to put here, so it's always a good idea to refer to their guidance if you're unsure. Now, in the value field, you'll enter your SPF record itself. The SPF record is a text string that specifies which mail servers are authorized to send email for your domain. For example, a typical entry might look like vsax SPF1 include secureserver.net, all. However, if you use multiple services to send emails, such as Google Workspace or an email marketing tool, you'll need to merge those SPF records accordingly. Be sure to compose your SPF record accurately to avoid delivery issues. Finally, once you've input all the necessary information, click Save to add your new TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. It might take a few minutes for changes to propagate across the internet, so be patient. And there you have it. With these steps, your SPF record should now be successfully added to your GoDaddy domain, helping you maintain a secure and reputable email presence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.